This video I'm installing Windows 10 in a virtual machine using VirtualBox program. I had some requests on how to do this, how to run Windows 10 in a Windows 11 computer using a virtual machine, and I'm doing this today. So let's get started. All you need is just two things: a Windows 10 ISO that you can download from the Microsoft website, and also you need VirtualBox, which is a program that runs virtual machines in your computer. What we are going to do, we are going to download the ISO and run it through the VirtualBox, and what all this does is just runs the Windows 10 in a VirtualBox virtually in our computer without impacting in our base operating system. For example, I am in Windows 11 right now and I will run Windows 10 in my computer. To download VirtualBox, go to this website, you can find it in the link in the description, and click on Windows host if you are on Windows, or OS X if you are on a Mac. Then download and install it, and here I have the VirtualBox. I have already installed it, and now what we are going to do is to download the Windows 10 ISO file. Go again to the description and go to this website, and you'll find two buttons: update now and download tool. You have to download the tool. Click on download tool now. Then after downloading it, click on open, then click on yes, and this will start to get things ready. And then after that, you have to choose an option to upgrade another PC, not upgrade this PC, and then you have to choose the option to create an ISO file that you can use to run it on VirtualBox. So click on accept, then choose create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file. So check this button and click on next, then click on next again, and you have to check ISO file, then click on next, and this will ask you where you want to save the file, and you can save it on the downloads and click on save. Then after doing that, click on next again, and then it will start to download the ISO of Windows 10 into your downloads folder. But I already have this downloaded. I will start immediately to set up in VirtualBox. I will go to VirtualBox and set up my Windows 10 virtual machine. As you can see, I have another machine here, Kali Linux, which is a Linux distribution. And if you are also interested on how to do this, how to install Kali Linux in a VirtualBox, let me know. I'll do another video for that. But for now, I will create a new virtual machine for Windows 10. So click on new, then choose a name. I will type just Windows, and then choose where you want to save. I will leave this as default. Then click on Microsoft Windows, and then you have to choose Windows 10 64-bit. Here is Windows 10 64-bit. Click on next, then choose how much memory you want to use. I'll choose 8 GB of RAM, or maybe 10 GB. Okay, 10 GB of RAM. Then click next, and you have to leave this create virtual hard disk now, then create, then click next again, then choose dynamically allocated and click next, then choose how many gigabytes of storage you want for this disk. I'll choose 20 GB and click on create. Now you have to select this virtual machine and click on settings. Then you have to go on the settings one by one. So go to the second one, the system, and here you can allocate or use more memory or RAM if you want. But if you go to processors, I will choose more processors. It depends on how many processors your computer have, but I will choose 5 for now because you can run the Windows faster. You have to go to display, make sure it is 128 megabytes. Then go to storage. Here you have to click on this empty and then choose the disk file. Then go to downloads and choose your Windows ISO file that we downloaded before. So double click to select it, and everything else is okay. So now we can click on OK. Then what you have to do is to click on start. Just click on start to start the virtual machine, and click on start again. Okay, now it will start the Windows installation. So we'll go through this process. We'll wait until this is installed, and we'll get back soon. Okay, now choose next, then click on install now. Then click I don't have a product key. Then choose which version of Windows you want, but for now I'll just go with the Pro version. So click next, then check accept the license term and click next again. Okay, now you have to select the second option, and then you have to click next, select the drive that we just created and click next again. And now the installation will start. It will copy the files and install the Windows. Okay, now the Windows is installed and we have to set up some few things. So now we choose United States and click on yes. Click on yes again if you have the right keyboard. Skip. Choose setup for personal use and click next. Then you can put your account if you want, but for now I'll click on offline account. Then choose limited experience and I'll put a name for this, just my name, and click next. And you can choose a password, put your password again, then choose a security question and answer it. Okay, now it started to set up my account, which is an offline account that I want to use for this virtual machine. And click on accept and click on skip, accept again. Okay, now Windows 10 is ready and finished installation, and it works similarly just like another computer. And as you can see, I am in Windows 11 and I have the also Windows 10 here. So this is how you can install Windows 10 in Windows 11 using the virtual machines and using VirtualBox application. There are a lot more applications like VirtualBox, like VMware or anything else that you can use, but VirtualBox is one of the most popular ones. So this is how you can do that, and hopefully you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So see you in the next video. Peace.